Welcome, it's Kathleen from cozcreations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2 here in Asheville. I'm happy you're here. Happy I'm here. Been feeling a little under the weather. Spent most of the day snuggled up with my Lido man, but decided to just have some soup and feel a little better and come on down here, which always gives me a burst of energy. So I am grateful for that. We're trying some new paints today. About 4 or 5 days ago, I saw darling Tracy Reed do a beautiful swipe using the new DecoArt Enchanted paints. And today, I got a box from DecoArt in the mail with these lovely, lovely Enchanted paints. And I figured it's an omen. Come on down here and give them a try. They look like this. They're DecoArt Americana Enchanted. They're an iridescent top coat acrylic. Now this is their blue, but you can't see it. It doesn't pop up till later, and that is exciting to me. Some beautiful peacock colors going on. As you can see here, if you look real closely, you can see some iridescent of blue, but it truly does pop up later. At least I hope it does. Right here, I shouldn't even bother showing them to you because they all look the same. I had to put a letter on the front of my cup. That is DecoArt Americana Enchanted, and that is their turquoise. Even the bottle is beauteous. Love my DecoArt, guys. I am an affiliate, and there's a link in my description box. It helps this girl out. If you use it to buy your DecoArt paints, it doesn't cost you a dime. DecoArt Americana Enchanted, and that is their green. And this is their gold. Now, our base coat today, I'm going to be doing a swipe, and I'm going to be doing a swipe using a swiping tool that Tracy Reed sent me. Thank you, Tracy. It's a little messy, but that's because I've been using it. And that's a good thing. Our base coat today is yummy, and I tried something a little bit different. This is my slop bucket of blues and turquoise, and I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can catch the light, but there are little speckles of wonderful gold hue in there. That's because I took my slop bucket paint and I added some of the DecoArt gold to it, mixed it up, added a little bit more pouring medium, and it's lovely. What's our pouring medium today? It is our swipe and pouring medium. It's 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, and every paint got a nice squeeze of GAC 800. The slop bucket paint got a bigger squeeze of GAC 800. So we're working on a 16 by 20 canvas, and I'm going to be doing a swipe. We're going to start off using this, and if I want to add some other swipe areas through it, I might pull out my damp pieces of paper towel. I'm glad you're here, guys. Only 28 more sleeps. It's a countdown. I wish it was only one more sleep till I get to paint with you all in Dallas, Texas. Fluid Art Experience 2022. I will be surrounded by some lovely souls, some talented artists, some of whom I've become very close with, some of whom I can't wait to meet. Come on down and paint with us, guys. I promise you it will be an experience that will make you smile big, guys. So let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
go.